Well, because we were away from those pigs, now we're out of the trap and we're lost. Well, better than being lost, we sit trapped. Yeah, true. So can't believe we got all this here in one explosion. I know, I just killed all those pigs. What? 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 Kill those pigs? I know. They were standing right by me and they were poking me sticks, so I just boom. So great. Now we're lost in the middle of nowhere, trapped in this room. Okay. What are we gonna do? I don't know. Gotta find a way out of here. Wait. Doesn't my friend Mario know how to go down those warp pipes? There's no way out of here. We can't do that. Okay, I get it. So what are we gonna do now? Maybe we could do something cool, like go to the mirror. That'd be awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go do it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, why are you still back here? You fell backwards. Okay. Yeah. What are we supposed to do now? We're trapped up here in this room. Lost. There's a door right over there. Let's just try hitting it. How about I explode it? No, 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 no. Okay, that was unexpected. What do you say, idiots? Thank you, Black. You're welcome. Let's just get going. Better we get out of here, faster we can go home. Get back on the land. Okay, so now where we're supposed to go. Okay, let's go. I choose this way. No, I choose this way. I say down. I say up. I have no idea where to go. Okay, where should we go? Let's go that way. Let's roll. Okay. Okay, looks like we're into this room, which I believe is our bedroom. So, let's go now. Well, if we know we're in our own house, now we can know where to go. Okay. So if we're in a bedroom, and the pigs are downstairs, how are we supposed to get there? I don't know. Your idea. What should we do, guys? I mean, really? What can we do besides get killed and all kinds of stuff? Stop thinking negative. Think positive. What? Just go along with it. Okay. Now, what should we do around here? Well, we could go to the next room. Are you sure? I'm not sure where to go. Or I could jump the rail. I just heard the wall paper was just painted. Okay, so we can't go anywhere. What do we do now? Let's get in our bed. Seems the best idea. Ow! Whee! Oh, crap. Yeah. I think there's someone in the bed. How are you sure? Oh, there's something green in our bed. How could you not be that obvious? What the heck, foe? Are you watching me while I'm sleeping, foe? What is your problem, foe? Don't need to get over anticipated. Gosh, we just got to a bro. Your house? Your house? This is my house. What do you mean? I mean, you're in the wrong house, foe. Ugh. Wait, what? Get out of my house, foe. What? Why, where'd you go? Sorry. Get out of my house, foe. I'm gonna hurt you bad, foe. Attack! hit me and kill me? Gosh. This is my house, not yours. Sorry, we'll get out of here now. Okay. Do you want to go wireless? Go away before I'm going to hurt you. Okay. You better leave, I'm going to hurt you. Badly. But you don't have a weapon. I have a gun and a K-47, but I have it getting polished. So let me go back to sleep, foe. What's his problem? Okay, we're getting out of here. Ow. Okay. I have a plan. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of our house. Our nest. Don't come back. Done. This is our house now. Are you sure? Are you really sure, Red? I think this is like breaking and entering. I'm sure. Says you got hit here anyway. Okay. Then what are we gonna do now? I don't know. Wait for some pigs. Are we there yet? Wait, who said that? Are we there yet, Black? No, we're not there yet. I've been walking for 100 miles, and I thought you were going to be there in that Buffalo Wild Wings yet. I'm sorry, but we have to keep walking. Who are you? I'm Big Blue. I'm Big Black. We're just friends. Okay. What are you doing here? Well, we were going to Buffalo Wild Wings, but here kept making us walk for 100 miles straight. Okay. So I've been walking and my beak hurts. Just stop complaining. You! Come on, break it up. Break it up. Ow. Didn't have to hit me. Gosh. Sorry. Not my fault. You guys want to join us? Well, we are Angry Birds too, so sure. Okay. Yay, so now we're all part of the game. Which means a good thing. Let's get us all settled up. Yes, cuddled. There you go. Is there anyone else coming? No. What are you doing here? This is supposed to be in the Halloween special. Duh. I came to help you. No comments. Okay? What are you even doing right now? You breaking and entering? No. Let's get you to the house now. Hocus Pocus, teleport us. What are you doing? No! Okay, you better thank me for me dragging you all the way back to your house with magic. Thank you, Zergel. Okay, now I'm off to go save some more Angry Birds. Bye. Well, that's the end of him. I'm watching you. Wait, are we in home? I'm pretty sure we are. This looks just like our house. Okay. Let's go find those pigs. Teach them a lesson. Okay. Okay, are we there? Shh, they're right over there. Okay, we're here to get your eggs, birds. What? I thought you took your eggs already. What? Guys, let's kick their butts. Yes, master. Go, pigs. Okay, we're time to kick your butt, Spurs. So finally, we can eat your eggs in peace. Not for long. What? Uh-oh. Oh, shut up, Jimmy. That's the end of them. Finish them off, guys. Whee! Ow! Whee! Ow! Whee! Oh, got me. Come here. Ow! Dip. Whee! Ow! I just got thrown into a playroom. Oh. My turn. Oh. What are you doing? Stop! Get our visual.
That's why I stole your butterflies.
We didn't own butterflies.
I caught some in your room.
Those no. Those are bombs.
They were touching your eggs.
They're bombs.
No, they're not. Why?
What are we gonna do now? Well, if we plan a sneak attack, then they'll come and get us. We have to do something smart. Well, if I can split the door open, then we can get in. Can you? Well, I'm a bomb. What do you expect? Okay.